Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn about Subject-Verb Agreement. Let's begin our lesson. We have learned that the subject and the predicate are the two parts of a sentence. Let us learn something new about the relationship between a sentence's subject and verb. It is very important to make a verb in a sentence agree with its subject in both number and person. This agreement is called the Subject-Verb Agreement. In sentences with singular subjects, the verb must likewise be singular. Similarly, the verb must be plural if the subject is plural. Let's see how the agreement works. I am 5 years old. He was playing football. I have a laptop. Ronnie has an umbrella. Let's solve. Complete the sentences using suitable verbs to match with the subjects. I dash from India, but my cousins dash from Australia. I am from India, but my cousins are from Australia. A few birds dash flying in the sky. A few birds are flying in the sky. A few of my dresses dash new. A few of my dresses are new. The hill station dash waterfalls. The hill station has waterfalls. None of my cousins dash here today. None of my cousins are here today. Each of these actors dash a good sense of humor. Each of these actors has a good sense of humor. None of the trust workers dash lazy. None of the trust workers are lazy. The class dash enjoying the picnic in the park. The class is enjoying the picnic in the park. Many of my friends dash good at sports. Many of my friends are good at sports. The flowers in my garden dash lovely. The flowers in my garden are lovely. There are two conditions in which S is added to a verb. Condition 1, when the subject of the sentence is singular except I or you, he, she, it, cousin, plant, etc. Condition 2, when the verb is in the present form, buy, play, sing, write, etc. Let's fill in the blanks using the verbs in agreement with their subjects. The poet dash amazing poems. The poet writes amazing poems. My mother dash good food. My mother cooks good food. The chef dash delicious food. The chef prepares delicious food. My brother dash very hard to get good marks. My brother works very hard to get good marks. My sister dash at the school function. My sister dances at the school function. I dash football every day. I play football every day. Several children dash on this field every day. Several children run on this field every day. Ronnie dash in this pool every morning. Ronnie swims in this pool every morning. We still have to keep one more thing in mind about the subject-verb agreement. An expression may occasionally appear between the subject and the verb. Do not get yourself confused by such words or expressions, as they have no effect on the subject-verb agreement. Let us look at some examples. The boy who plays with other boys is my brother. The subject is boy and not other boys in the first sentence. As the subject is singular, the verb is also singular, that is. The colors used in your dress are beautiful. The subject is colors and not dress in the second sentence. The subject is plural, the verb is also plural, that is, are. Now, let's complete the sentences by using verbs to match with the subjects. My sister, who plays for the Indian cricket team, dash coming home. My sister, who plays for the Indian cricket team, is coming home. Dogs with soft furs dash my favorite. Dogs with soft furs are my favorite. Charan dash going to the art gallery today. Charan is going to the art gallery today. Everyone from the class dash an eraser with them. Everyone from the class has an eraser with them. I, with my cousins, dash at the football match. I, with my cousins, am at the football match. Well done, kids! Today, you learned how verbs agree with their subjects. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!